As a vocational institute, our role is to prepare students for future employment. My name is Zhong Yang. I'm a lecturer in IT, NITEC of Mechanical Technology. In the collaboration of Schneider, my role is to implement training program on predictive maintenance with the help of AR. Schneider Electric EcoStruxure Augmented Operator Advisor is well established and widely used in the industry. Students will be able to use smart devices to access all information on predictive maintenance. With AOA in our curriculum, this will equip our students with valuable and relevant skill set. We keep them competitive in the market.
This training program has 3 stages. The first stage being that it is an EcoStruxure Augmented Operator Advisor builder. It builds an AR program and it superimposes the information to the machinery or the tools itself. The second stage is AOA implementation, and that we can conduct maintenance along with the AR program. The third stage is AOA runtime. We collect real-time data from the data sensors attached to the equipment, and from there we can use the real-time data to strategize predictive maintenance procedures.
The EcoStruxure Augmented Operator Advisor is based on augmented reality technology, which gives users the ability to insert real-time data and virtual objects into the real-world environment digitally. It provides us with a new learning way. Due to the current COVID-19 situation, we are able to access all information easily on the platform, which makes the learning even more effective.
The AOA software itself is also gaining positive attention in various industries like oil and gas, chemical processing and food manufacturing. It is very customizable and it can adapt to any machinery or equipment requirements.
The use of AOA software provides an immersive and engaging learning experience for all students across all learning levels. Students like us without any coding background are still able to pick up the skills rather easily. Through this course, I'm able to learn new technologies such as 3D printing and Internet of Things.
The world is also always constantly changing as technology evolves, and this really inspires me to be an engineer and work in the engineering industries.
Digital transformation is about talent, not technology. Students and companies have to be open-minded to accept unconventional methods for skill acquisition to prepare the student for the industry of the future.